Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Python 3.12.7 on Windows operating systems. First go to Python official website and download it. Then we will install it. Go to python.org. It is the official website for Python. Hit enter. Then click on downloads. See here we have the download Python 3.12.7. This is the latest version for Windows. Scroll down. See here the stable versions. See, these are all stable versions. Okay. You can click on download here also. Click on download Python 3.12.7. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 25 megabytes. Download has been completed. Now click on this Python exe file. Click on it. Check this both checkboxes. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Also add python.exe to path. Okay. So see here we have the two types of installations. Install now and customize installation. To select customize installation, we have the options like selecting the location and features. So select customize installation. See, by default it has selected all these. If you don't want any of these features, you have to uncheck them. I want all, so click on next. See, install Python 3.12 for all users. Okay, if you want to install debugging symbols and debug binaries, you have to select this one. At this moment I don't want, so this will be the installation location. If you want to change, you have to click on this browse button. Otherwise, install. See, installation has been started. It is straightforward installation. No need to provide any options. See, installation has been completed. So click on close, start all applications. See here we have the Python folder, that is Python 3.12. Click on drop down button. Then see here we have the idle Python shell. These are Python shells, documentation and module docs. Okay, or simply open cmd, then type Python, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Python 3.12.7. Okay, this is the release date. Even if you go to start and all applications, you can search or you can scroll down for the Python folder. Expand it. Click on Python ID. See the version here. Ideal shell version number 3.127. Also Python version is same. We can also open Python shell. See, version number is Python 3.127.7. Now we will see some sample Python examples. Print. See, this is the text output. If you want to perform some arithmetic operations, 3 plus 9, 3 minus 9, 3 equals to 3 equals to 9. This is Boolean operation. 3 equals to 3. True. Addition. 3 into 10. 10 divided by 3. See, these are the few examples. Suppose if you want to create a Python script file and compile it, open command prompt cmd. Let us create a sample Python file. Notepad, sample program .py. Python file must be ended with py. Click on S. Now give the same examples like print welcome to. All string must be in singular double quotation. Save the file. Now go to terminal. Now run the Python sample program.py. See, this is the output. We can run the same Python program from the IDLE. We go to here, click on open, then select the file path, sample, search for sample programs.py, click on open. Now select run, select the run module. See, we got the same output, whatever we have received here. So in this video we have seen how to install Python 3.12.7 and we have performed the sample Python programs. For more Python videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.